Make sure you regularly check your spreader for any wear and tear. This will affect the spread pattern, or it could potentially affect the spread pattern. If you do see anything in particular, then make sure you get some parts changed from your manufacturer. Make sure all the vanes on the spreader aren't damaged, not worn down as well, so you need everything to be in good working order to make sure it's going to throw out that good spread pattern that you want to get an even application. It's important to clean the spreader between each batch of fertiliser. It's particularly important if you're using a sulphur-based fertiliser because sulphur can build up on the vanes, so it's really important to clean those off with something like a WD-40 oil lubricant type product. Doing a quick check of your spreader isn't going to take long, and it's obviously not going to cost you anything, but it could pay dividends when you get out in the field if there was a problem that you hadn't perhaps noticed before.